Good morning, students. Welcome to the class. In this class, we solve some problems on properties of triangles. We are familiar with the formulas and results in these properties of triangles. So directly we are going to solve some problems in this class. The very first problem in this class is, if the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 4:1:1, then the ratio of the largest side, the longest side, or the largest side to the perimeter is see, what is given in the problem is most important, and what to be find is the conclusion. Here what is given, the ratio of the angles of a triangle is given. So here is the solution. Ratio of the angles of a triangle is 4:1:1. Therefore, sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So 4x plus x plus x is equals to 180 degrees. This implies 6x is equals to 180 degrees. This implies x is equals to 30 degrees. Therefore, angle A is equals to 4x. This is equals to 4 into 30, which is 120 degrees, and B is equals to C is equals to x. This is equals to 30 degrees. So the greatest angle in the triangle is A, which is 120 degrees. So this implies B equal to C is equals to 30. Therefore, small b, the side B, is equal to the side C. So the triangle will be an obtuse isosceles triangle. So this is A, 120 degrees, A, B, C. This is 30 degrees. This is also 30 degrees. These two are equal. C, D. Next, since A square is equals to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. This is cosine rule. In this B equal to C substituting, so 2B square minus 2B square into cos A. This is equals to 2B square is common, 1 minus cos A, which is equals to 2B square into 2 sin square A by 2. This is equals to 4b square sin square a by 2. This is equals to 4b square into a value, angle A is 120 degrees. So 120 by 2, which is 60 degrees. So sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 whole square, which is 3 by 4. 3 by 4. 4 get cancelled. This is all equal to a square. So, therefore, a square is equals to 3b square. 3b square. This implies a is equals to root 3 into b. Here, ratio of the largest side to the perimeter. So, angle A is 120 degrees. So opposite to the angle A is the longest side. Therefore, A by the perimeter is A plus B plus C. This is equals to A by B equal to C. So A plus 2B. This is equals to A value is root 3B by root 3B plus 2B, which is equals to B can get cancelled. So root 3 by 2 plus root 3. This is the required answer. So ratio of the largest side to the perimeter of the triangle is root 3 is to 2 plus root 3, provided the ratio of the angles of a triangle is 4 is to 1 is to 1. Next, second problem. Second problem. Two sides of a triangle. Two sides of a triangle are the roots of the equation x square minus 2 root 3 x plus 2 is equals to 0. The angle between the sides, between the sides is 60 degrees. Then the perimeter of the triangle is So two sides of the triangle are the roots of the equation x square minus 2 root 3x plus 2 equal to 0. And the angle between these sides is 60 degrees. This is given. Now what we have to find? The perimeter of the triangle, that is a plus b plus c. So here let a comma b comma c be the sides of the triangle. Therefore, a plus b is equal to sum of the roots. Let a comma b are the roots of the equation. So sum of the roots a plus b is equals to 2 root 3 and A into B is equals to 2. Since A comma B are the roots of the equation x square minus 2 root 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Next, the angle between the sides. Is 60 degrees. 60 degrees. So this is A, B, C. So C is equals to 60 degrees. This is C. Since cos C is equals to A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB. C is equal to 60. So cos 60 degrees is equals to A square plus B square. Writing A square plus B square in the form of A plus B whole square. So A plus B whole square minus 2AB minus C square by 2AB. So cos 60 value is 1 by 2. This is equals to A plus B value is 2 root 3. 2 root 3 whole square, which is 12 minus 2 into A into B value is 2 to the 4 minus C square by 4. So this implies 2 to the 4. So 12 minus 4 is 8. So 8 minus C square is equals to 2. This implies C square is equals to 6. This implies C is equals to root 6. Now the perimeter of the triangle A plus B plus C is perimeter of the triangle is A plus B plus C. C is equals to A plus B value is 2 root 3 and C value is root 6. So this is the required perimeter of the triangle, provided two sides of the triangle are the roots of the equation x square minus 2 root 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Next, third problem. If in triangle ABC, A plus B plus C into B plus C minus A is equals to lambda into BC, then find the range of lambda. Here small a, small b, small c are the sides of the triangle. Here the relation between ABC is so and so, A plus B plus C into B plus C minus A is equals to lambda into BC. Lambda is a real number or parameter. So A plus B plus C into B plus C minus A is equals to lambda into BC. This is given. This implies B plus C plus A, B plus C minus A. So it is B plus C whole square minus A square is equals to lambda into BC. So this implies B square plus C square minus A square plus 2BC is equals to lambda into BC. So this implies B square plus C square minus A square is equals to 2BC, taking to that side. So BC is common. So this is lambda minus 2 into BC. So this implies B square plus C square minus A square by carrying BC as denominator to the left hand side and multiplying and dividing by 2. So 2BC lambda minus 2 by 2. The left hand side is cosine rule, so it is cos A. Therefore, cos A is equals to lambda minus 2 by 2. Since minus 1 less than cos A is less than 1. So cos theta always lies between minus 1 and plus 1, which is equals to lambda minus 2 by 2. So this implies minus 1 less than lambda minus 2 by 2 is less than 1. So this implies minus 2 is less than lambda minus 2 is less than 2. So adding 2 to this inequality, which is 0 is less than lambda is less than 4. So the range of lambda is 0, 4. Our lambda value lies between 0 and 4. This is the third problem. Next, fourth problem. If the area of the triangle ABC is lambda, then A square sine 2B plus B square sine 2A is equal to here the area of the triangle ABC is given as lambda. Then we have to find A square sine 2B plus B square sine 2A in terms of lambda. So here is the solution. Delta is equals to lambda. This is given. Area of the triangle ABC is delta, which is equals to lambda. This is given. Consider A square sine 2B plus B square sine 2A. This is equals to A square into sine 2 theta, which is equals to 2 sine theta cos theta. So sine 2B is equals to 2 sin B, 2 sin B cos B plus B square into sin 2A, which is 2 sin A into cos A. So this is equals to 2A square into sin B into cos B plus 2B square into sin A into cos A. Since the sine rule is A by sin A is equals to B by sin B is equals to C by sin C is equals to 2R. From this rule, sin B is equals to B by 2R. So this implies 2A square B by 2R into cos B plus 2B square into sin A value is A by 2R, cos A. Here 2 get cancelled, so this is equals to, here AB by R is common, AB by R is common, so A cos B plus B cos A. So from projection rule, this value is C. So this value is C. So ABC by R. Since delta is equals to ABC by 4R, ABC by 4R, and this is equals to 4 into ABC by 4R. This is equals to 4 delta, which is equals to 4 lambda. Next, fifth problem. Fifth problem. In an equilateral triangle, the ratio of the in radius small r, circumradius capital R, and x radius R1 is so equilateral triangle. The given triangle is equilateral triangle. If A is the side of the triangle, then the perimeter is 3A. So solution. Let A be the side of the triangle, equilateral triangle. Therefore, 2S is equals to A plus 2S is equals to 3A. 2S is equals to 3R. Perimeter, we write perimeter. Perimeter is equals to 3A. Perimeter is equals to 3A. which is equal to 2s, and area of the triangle delta is equals to root 3 by 4 a square. Root 3 by 4 a square. Here in radius, so since delta is equals to r by s, r equal to delta by s, r is equals to delta by s. The in radius r is equals to delta by s. So this is equals to delta value root 3 by 4 a square, root 3 by 4 a square into s value is 3a by 2, so 2 by 3a, 2 to the 4, so r is equals to here a also can get cancelled, so root 3 a by 6, root 3 a by 6. Next, circumradius. So here delta is equals to a b c by 4r, which is equals to a cube by 4r. This implies r is equals to a cube by 4 delta. This is equals to a cube by 4 into delta value is root 3 by 4 a square. Root 3 by 4 into a square. 4 get cancelled, and again a square get cancelled. So this is equals to, capital R is equals to a by root 3, a by root 3, which is equals to root 3a by 3. Root 3a by 3. Next, x radius. Since r1 is equals to delta by s minus a. This is equals to delta value root 3 by 4 a square into 1 by s minus a. S minus a value is a by 2. So 2 by a. 2a get cancelled. 2 to the 4. So this is equals to root 3a by 2. Root 3a by 2. Now taking in the ratio form, let consider small r is to capital R is to r1 is equals to smaller value is root 3a by 6, root 3a by 6 is to capital R value is root 3a by 3, root 3a by 3 is to root 3a by 2, root 3 in x radius, root 3a by 2. So here root 3a get cancelled, so this is equals to 1 is to 2 is to 3. So this is the ratio among the in radius, circumradius and x radius of the triangle, which is equilateral triangle. So these are the 5 important problems covered in this class. So we see some more problems in the next class.